Imagine this, you are at an airport, your phone battery is almost dead and you spot a free USB charging station. Without thinking, you plug in your phone and a few minutes later your battery is full. But what if your personal data had been silently stolen at the same time? Sounds like something out of a movie, right? Well, there's a real cybersecurity threat known as juice jacking. While actual attack appears to be uncommon, cybersecurity experts recommend treating public USB ports with caution because a compromised charging station or cable could potentially be used to access data or install malware. In today's video, you will learn how this attack works, whether it's really something to worry about, and the simple steps you can take to keep your phone safe wherever you travel. Let's get started. First, let's understand what makes a USB cable different from a normal power cable. Most people think a USB cable only carries electricity, but that's only half the story. A standard USB cable usually carries power and the data. When you connect your phone to your computer, your phone asks, "Do you trust this device?" Because the cable is capable of transferring files, not just charging the battery. Now imagine if a public charging station had been tampered with. Instead of simply providing electricity, it could attempt to communicate with your phone, and if your phone is unlocked and you approve a data connection, or otherwise if other vulnerabilities exist, there could be a risk of unauthorized access. That's the basic idea behind juice jacking. Let's walk through a possible scenario. You are waiting for your flight and your battery is at 5%. You plug your phone into a free USB charging station unknown to you. Someone has modified the charging kiosk. If your phone allows data communication, the attacker might try to steal photos, copy contacts, read messages, access saved documents, or install malicious software that continues running after you disconnect. Modern phones include security protections that make this much harder than it is used to be, but the safest approach is to avoid unnecessary data connections with unknown devices. Now here is an important question. Should you panic? Not really. Despite widespread warnings, publicly documented real-world juice checking attacks are relatively rare. However, cybersecurity professionals still advise against trusting unknown USB ports because the consequences could be serious if a charging station had been compromised. Think of it this way, you wear a seatbelt every time you drive, not because you expect to crash, but because the consequences are too important to ignore. Cybersecurity works the same way. Simple precautions can reduce unnecessary risk. Public charging ports aren't the only concern. Attackers have also created fake charging cables, modified USB adapters, malicious USB flash drives. Some specially designed cables look completely normal but hide tiny electronic components capable of interacting with connected devices. Fortunately, these tools are generally used in targeted attacks rather than against the average traveler. Still, it's a good reminder that not every cable is as harmless as it looks. The good news is protecting yourself is simple. Here are some best practices. Number 1, carry your own wall charger and plug it directly into an electrical outlet whenever possible. Number 2, use a USB data blocker. This small adapter blocks data pins while allowing power to pass through. Number 3, carry a trusted power bank when traveling. Number 4, if your phone asks whether to trust a connected device, choose don't trust unless you know exactly what you are connecting to. Number 5, keep your phone's operating system updated. Security updates often include protection against new attacks. Number 6, avoid using unknown charging cables provided in public places. A few simple habits can significantly improve your security. Let's bust a few myths. Number 1, every public USB charger steals your data, and reality is most public charging stations are perfectly legitimate. The concern is that you usually have no way of knowing whether a charging station has been modified. And second myth is a phone can always be hacked the moment it's plugged in. And the reality is modern smartphones have stronger protection than older devices, including prompts before allowing data access. Even so, using a trusted charging methods remain the safest choice. Public USB charging stations are incredibly convenient, but convenience should never come before security. The next time your phone battery runs low in an airport, shopping mall, hotel, or cafe, remember this simple rule: if you don't trust the device, don't trust the connection. Carry your own charger, use a power bank, or use a USB data blocker. These small habits can help protect your personal data from unnecessary risks. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more cybersecurity awareness videos every week. And tell me in the comments, have you ever used a public USB charging station? Will you use once again after watching this video? Thanks for watching.